Hey, what's up WAXP coin holder? So what's going on? The video is going to be very special for all WAXP coin holder because mine is 8.42%. The price is decreasing now, so that's a very bad news. But don't worry my friends, everybody know this to after a short term absolutely every coin will pumps up and they will get a very huge pump. So therefore I will just notify you my viewers, my subscriber, to please don't starting selling. Otherwise if you starting selling, so they will never give you a profit, they will lose now. So kindly holder, I notify you to please don't starting selling. Otherwise my friend, you know this coin will never give you a profit. Minus 8.42%, the price is decreased now in last 3 days. And if we check out the last 7 days chart my friends, we will better understand to this coin will get a profit or not. My friends, I am going to predicate this coin to upcoming time. There is a chance so they will get a profit or not. In last 7 days you could see they were fails down, completely fails down. So therefore how is it possible to they will pumps up my friend? If a holder are starting investing, if a holder are starting holding, so this is possible to WAXP coin price will be increasing. Otherwise my friend, this is impossible to they will pumps up and they will give you a profit. So holders, remember to if they will pumps up, so they will make you a millionaire now. So why you will wasting your time? Please don't miss this chance, take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope they will make you a millionaire now. See you next time. WAXP coin holder, please hold now, otherwise they will never give you a profit. So hold it and please wait for the end of this month. I hope my friends, WAXP is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, they will give you a profit. So my opinion is please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box.